Are you dealing with low water pressure in your home? That trickle of water can be frustrating, but you're in luck because today we're exploring how to boost the water pressure. First, check your main valve. This is often located near your water meter. Ensure it's fully open. Sometimes it might be only partially open after repairs or maintenance. Next, let's look at the pressure regulator. It's typically installed where the main water line enters your home. If it's malfunctioning, it could be limiting the water flow. Adjust it by loosening the lock nut and turning the adjustment screw. Turn it clockwise to increase pressure. For those without a regulator, installing one might solve your issues. Now, let's inspect the pipes. Over time, mineral deposits can narrow pipes, especially steel ones. Replacing them with copper or PEX pipes can significantly improve pressure. Moving on, clean the aerators on taps and shower heads. Mineral buildup there can reduce flow. Soak them in vinegar overnight or scrub with a toothbrush. After this, test your water pressure. You'll need a pressure gauge for this. Attach it to an outside faucet, ensuring all other faucets are off. Ideal home water pressure should be between 40 to 60 psi. If it's outside this range, adjust your pressure regulator as needed. Still having issues? It's time to check for leaks. A hidden leak can drastically affect pressure. Look for wet spots in your yard or a constant sound of running water. If you suspect one, call a professional to avoid costly water bills. Lastly, consider a water pressure booster if all else fails. This pump system can dramatically increase pressure. They're especially useful for larger homes or ones where the main water line is far from the property. All these steps can help you enjoy a more powerful and satisfying water flow throughout your home. Don't forget, some issues may require professional assistance, so consult a plumber if necessary. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more household tips and tricks.